How to fix TikTok could not upload video. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started with fixing this problem. First thing first, if it says that TikTok cannot upload your video, you have to make sure you are using the latest version of TikTok. So, head over to your Play Store. So simply search for TikTok. Tap on TikTok and if your application shows update, tap on update and update your app. Once done, for the next step, head over to your settings. Scroll all the way below, then tap on Apps. You will see all the apps here. Again, search for TikTok. Tap on TikTok. Go for storage and then clear the cache. If you remember your credentials like your TikTok username and password, you may also go ahead and tap on Clear Data and delete the data. Once you do so, tap on Set as Default and untoggle this button. Likewise, let's go ahead and ensure the permission is given as well. Tap on permissions and make sure the permissions are allowed for camera, microphone, and photos and videos. Once done, tap on Force Stop, then OK. Now restart your device, launch your TikTok application, upload your video, and this shall work. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.